What happens when you start eating chia seeds every day? Chia seeds are nutrient powerhouses with amazing health benefits. In the 16th century, Aztecs believed chia seeds so highly that they offered them to their gods as worship. Chia seeds have a ton of health benefits, which explains why the word chia means strength in the ancient Mayan language. In today's video, we will explain how chia seeds benefit your health. Chia seeds are among the healthiest superfoods on the planet. Their status has officially changed from trendy to mainstream. They are stocked in regular supermarkets and are often added to a variety of products, including fruit, drinks, energy bars, and more. But wait, there's more. As you know, all good things come with a warning, so do chia seeds. In the end, we will explain what the side effects are, and how much chia seeds should be consumed daily. Before we begin, remember, this video is for educational purposes only. Consult your doctor if you have health concerns. Let's explore each of these chia seed benefits one by one. Number 1. Promotes weight loss. Studies show that chia seeds can help with weight loss. It's mainly because of the high fiber content they contain. According to a 2011 study review, chia seeds might help people lose weight temporarily. Another study showed that participants who added chia seeds to their yogurt felt more satiated compared with those who ate only breakfast yogurt without them. According to another study conducted in 2014, discrete weight loss occurred in the study, though it was not significantly different from a placebo. Although more research is needed, one thing is certain: chia seeds will keep you full for longer and prevent unhealthy snacks throughout the day if you add them to your diet. Chia seeds are the perfect meal addition, as their fiber content keeps your blood sugar levels in check, even after eating a lot. Chia seeds are hydrophilic, meaning they can take their weight in water 12 times. When you mix them with water, they expand and become gelatinous. They assist in controlling weight gain. Even though you may not have eaten a lot, eating chia gel in your food will help you feel full for a longer period of time. Number 2. Slow down the aging process. The antioxidants in chia seeds assist in fighting free radicals, which are responsible for cell damage and skin damage. Free radicals also contribute to cardiovascular disease, cognitive decline, and certain types of cancer. Chia seeds contain omega-3 fatty acids that have been found to increase circulation and reduce dryness as well as inflammation in the skin. Researchers have found that omega-3s help protect the skin from UV rays. Chia seeds contain anti-inflammatory properties that can help prevent wrinkles and reduce skin sagging. To prevent early signs of aging and skin damage, make sure you have chia seeds with your breakfast. Number 3. Promotes heart health. Quercetin is an antioxidant found in chia seeds, which can lower your risk of developing heart disease and other cardiovascular conditions. Chia seeds are also high in omega-3 fatty acids, which are healthy fats for your heart. There are about 75% of alpha-linolenic acids in chia seeds, and about 20% of omega-6 fatty acids in them. It reduces the risk of premature death and helps prevent various conditions, including heart disease. A study on rats showed that chia seeds could lower triglycerides and reduce oxidative stress, despite the fact that there haven't been many studies on the effects of the seeds on heart disease. Moreover, it is found to reduce high blood pressure, one of the major risk factors for heart disease. Additionally, chia seeds contain a high level of copper, which is essential for heart health, but lacking in most diets. Number 4. Improves bones and teeth strength. It has also been found that chia seeds can help keep bone and teeth healthy. They're rich in phosphorus, a mineral that enhances bone health. Plus, they're full of antioxidants that can help protect your teeth. Chia seeds contain 18% of the recommended daily amounts of calcium. Chia seeds are also excellent for maintaining optimal muscle and nerve function. Studies have shown that they contain more calcium than regular dairy products. In order to improve skeletal health, go easy on that milk and add chia seeds to your meals more often. According to one study, calcium-rich foods like chia seeds improve bone mineral density. Based on results from another animal study involving rats, eating chia seeds every day for 13 months resulted in increased bone mineral content when compared to the placebo group. Number 5. Reduce spike in blood sugar. As chia seeds slow down the rate at which the body releases glucose, they can reduce the spikes in blood sugar after eating carbohydrates in the morning. This can be beneficial for those with type 2 diabetes. In a small study from 2017, two groups of participants consumed flax and chia seeds respectively to find out which were more effective in slowing down how the body releases glucose. Researchers discovered that chia seeds had a greater impact on reducing blood sugar spikes than flax seeds. Although the study was small, it proved promising, especially for type 2 diabetics. Moreover, chia seeds contain a large amount of fiber, which reduces insulin resistance, improving blood sugar levels. Another study found that chia seeds triggered a different low blood sugar response compared to traditional grains and could help improve one's blood sugar levels. Also, some animal studies suggest that chia seeds might improve insulin sensitivity. You can achieve a stable blood sugar level after meals by doing this. The claim, however, requires further research. Chia seeds can be added to your food to ensure regular consumption. Number 6. Keep cholesterol in check. Studies have examined how chia seeds can affect cholesterol and triglyceride levels. Based on a review of 10 clinical trials published in 2021, it was discovered that chia seeds increase the level of high-density lipoprotein, HDL, cholesterol, known as good cholesterol. This could improve cardiovascular health by balancing blood lipids. Furthermore, the study reviewed found that chia seeds improve fatty acid profile markers in most individuals. Even though the research is still scarce, chia seeds may prove to be an effective addition to a diet that aims to reduce LDL cholesterol levels. A healthy diet that includes between 25 and 50 grams of chia seeds per day was shown to be beneficial to people with diabetes or metabolic syndrome. Results showed that chia seeds could significantly reduce triglycerides. It is true that no food will magically reduce your cholesterol levels, but you can prevent cholesterol problems by eating a healthy, balanced diet. Number 7. Reduces free radicals in the body. Chia seeds contain a large amount of antioxidants which help to reduce the oxidative stress that damages your body's cells. Oxidative stress occurs when free radicals and antioxidants are not working together properly. Free radicals cause considerable damage associated with aging and certain cancers. In chia seeds, there is quercetin, an antioxidant that could reduce the risk of several health problems, such as heart disease or liver disease, as well as prevent some types of cancer. There is also myristin, caffeic acid, camphorol, and chlorogenic acid in chia seeds that can help your body in a variety of ways. The lowering effect of chlorogenic acid, in particular, is associated with lower blood pressure, and caffeine is known to have anti-inflammatory properties as well. Number 8. Lowers blood pressure. Chia seeds contain essential ingredients such as fiber, omega-3 fatty acids, and antioxidant polyphenols that can help lower blood pressure. They are beneficial to the liver and circulation. A compound in it known as alpha-linolenic acid, or ALA, also helps to prevent the body from producing compounds that increase blood pressure. In addition to fiber, lignans, antioxidants, magnesium, calcium, and potassium, they are great for protecting against high blood pressure. Also, chia seeds lower blood pressure by reducing blood nitrite levels. Chia seeds side effects. Chia seeds can expand to 27 times their original size, according to an article published on the American College of Gastroenterology website by Dr. Rebecca Rawl. Therefore, those who suffer from reflux or have difficulty swallowing should avoid consuming it. Also, don't eat the seeds until they are fully expanded. The growth in the esophagus can cause problems. The seed greatly reduces blood pressure, which makes it an important health issue for chia lovers. Make sure your blood pressure is normal if you consume chia seeds regularly. Some medications may also adversely affect chia consumption. It is also important for diabetics to be aware that chia can reduce blood sugar levels. In addition to being high in fiber, it is great for those who suffer from constipation. Therefore, diarrhea sufferers should not consume it. Despite what you may have heard, don't think that chia is a bad food. In fact, it is quite the contrary. When you are aware of its risks and how it interacts with your body, you can eat it in the correct way and reap its benefits. 1 tablespoon of chia seeds contains 8.7 grams of fat, 138 calories, 11.9 grams of carbs, 4.7 grams of protein, 20% phosphorus, 14% RDI calcium, 23% RDI magnesium, 15% RDI thiamine, 16% RDI niacin, and 5 grams of alpha-linoleic acid. Now, how much chia seeds should be consumed daily? Chia seeds should be consumed in portions of 1 to 1.5 tablespoons, or 20 grams per serving. More than this can cause you all sorts of gastric and digestive problems because chia seeds are rich in fiber. Excess fiber can lead to digestive problems if consumed in excess. Make sure you consult your healthcare professional before making any significant changes to your diet, especially if you have an underlying health condition or are taking medication. Thanks for watching. Subscribe for more valuable insights. Stay healthy, stay informed. See you in the next video.